In this section, I'm going to see how to use custom number formats. Now I've got a simple income expenditure balance for 2 years here. This one's a positive balance, this one's a negative balance. Now what I'm going to do is to drag across. I've selected this range, so I've selected C6 to D6, and if I right click over the selected range and go to where it says Format Cell, then make sure the number tab is selected and then click on Custom, and within Custom you find 2 things, or 3 things actually, that have red in the formula. And what that does, if I click on this one here, it will use this sort of syntax, for displaying the numbers, but it'll also display it in red. So let's click on OK, and if I deselect everything, you can see this one here is normal, this one here is displayed in red. If I want to, I can go and change that, of course. If I right click over here and go to where it says Format Cells, I could try maybe that one there, and that will change like so to give you 2 more decimal points here. So there's various formats you can use. Let's go back and check the other formats. So you can change these. Also you can change the color. I'm not sure why you'd want to, but if you wanted to display it in maybe blue rather than red, you just type in the word blue, click on OK, and it's now displayed in blue. So that's how you can use custom number formats. As I said, normally you'd use red for negative.